Guys, you've been asking for more power. Well, we've got it. This 490 kilowatt G6E Turbo.
I'm a bad bitch every day of the week. If I hop up on the mic, they gon' play it on repeat.
All right, let's have a look under the hood. We've got a safe tune of 490 kilowatts. We have an upgraded BorgWarner EFR 8374 Turbo. The transmission has been built by R&S Performance to handle the extra power, as well as a Nizpro Stage 2 kit. As you can see, guys, the car's immaculate inside and out. We've got the aftermarket gauges, we've got the tan seats that everyone's chasing, we've even got the optional factory sunroof. If you want to see a full list of all the mods done to this car, you can go check them out on the website.
Hot topic, my armpits, new trend, new drip, I started, rockstar shit.
If you want to get your entries in to win this 490 kilowatt G6E Turbo, head to toughshooters.com.au.
I really do this, flow stupid beats, abusive. I'm a bad bitch every day of the week.